the Ruko F11GIM2 Drone. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the F11GIM2 Drone by Ruko. I will briefly go over specs and some of the features, then get into the drone footage. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a drone, 2 batteries for the drone, a carrying case, Allen wrenches, spare propellers, screws, the user guide, a rechargeable transmitter, and 2 power cables for charging. And just to go over some of the specs, it weighs in at 20.6 ounces. It has a max runtime of 28 minutes per battery, and it takes about 4.5 hours to charge. Features a 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal. The video is 4K at 30 frames per second. Max video transmission of 9,000 feet. Max altitude flight of 393 feet. And it supports a TF card of 128 gigs, which is not included. It supports super clear and stable image, smooth 5G video transmission, powerful quiet brushless motors, and it has GPS follow me mode, GPS auto return home, and a point of interest mode. Okay, let's get into the footage. This is the point of interest mode. Basically, you hover over a specific point. You lock in and then you fly out to a distance, and then it will just do a 360 around that point. It's a very neat feature. Out of the box, the drone is very easy to set up and get going. I found the user guide to be adequate. Just a high-level overview. You need to download the app, turn the controller on, and then wait for the controller to connect to the drone, which takes a few seconds. Once connected, open the app and go into your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Ruko drone. From there, follow the prompts to calibrating and to get going. I definitely like the overall build quality. The remote has some weight to it and it feels solid, and I like the display on it. The drone also feels solid, and if you're in the US, this would require FAA registration since it's over the 250 grams weight limit. The follow me mode worked well and was able to track me as I was walking around. The GPS auto return worked with no issues as well, but I did find it at times it would be 2 to 3 feet off from my drone pad when landing. The image capture is impressive. Very stable and smooth as the gimbal does its job in capturing smooth footage. The drone stayed in place as it was a windy day during my test flight. The signal remained strong throughout, but I didn't venture out the max limits. I would advise starting off in the beginner setting if you are new, which is the default, and then gradually increasing the height and distance as you get comfortable. This is definitely an impressive drone, especially for the price point. Very stable in windy conditions, and the video quality and stability were excellent and smooth. At no time did I lose connection and the signal was stable throughout. This is definitely something to put on your list if you're looking for drone alternatives other than DJI. I think this ranks up there with the higher end drones. Now I leave you with some flight footage. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.